Hi guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today. And today we're gonna cook some oxtail with mashed potato. So right over here we have some oxtail, but we gotta season it right now. So the starting the season process, we're gonna put a teaspoon of all-purpose season. Just wanna get that all over that oxtail. And we're gonna put half a teaspoon of paprika. So sprinkle the paprika all over there, and just a little bit of touch of black pepper, touch of pimento, so I just wanna mix that in. So today on the menu is oxtail with mashed potatoes. So just season up this oxtail. Then I'm gonna put in some meat browning. Run a half of teaspoon of meat browning. You don't want to put in too much meat browning. Be careful when you use the meat browning because it's quite strong. So just mix up this meat browning. You're gonna see it change the color of that meat. So that's meat browning we're using. You wanna get all of that season, all of that meat browning in, all of that paprika, all-purpose season, the pimento. So now I'm just gonna leave it to marinate for around 20 minutes. Alright guys, this oxtail was marinated for around 20 minutes. I put on the pot and I put some oil in it. It's quite hot now. So I'm just gonna brown off this oxtail. So I'm just gonna stay away and just drop everything in it. So that is the oxtail with mashed potato today we put in. And that beautiful. Guys, the burning off this oxtail. So I finished burning it off now, so I'm just gonna take it out. Put it in there. So you're looking for this brown, beautiful brown color. Just gonna transfer them, but then I'm gonna cut up the garlic and the ginger and the spring onion and the onion and the everything put in it. So I'll just transfer this meat into this plate. Set them out. So I don't want to use too much oil. So one white onion. Then I have some 4 cubes of garlic. I'm just gonna slice them up very thin. And then I'm gonna slice them sideways like that, so you get extra thin garlic. So the garlic got there. So I put 3 cloves of garlic and one half of green bell pepper. Get in there. Then half of red bell pepper. So just how to slice them in chunks like that. I don't want to cut them up too small. I want to give it that beautiful color. Then we have half of yellow bell pepper. Get that in. Then you have 2 sticks of spring onion. Just give them a slice up like that. Not too small, not too big. So get all of that spring onion in there as well. Then we have some ginger. Gonna cut up this ginger really small. I love to use ginger when I'm cooking. I love the taste of ginger. I use ginger and garlic in most anything I'm cooking. But you don't want to taste a big chunk of ginger, so you cut up the ginger very small. A lot of time I don't cut up ginger like this. I just use the grater to grate of it, so you don't really taste it when you eating your food. But now I just slice it up. Half of lemon. Squeeze it. The guy have just been browning off these onion, spring onion, garlic, the ginger and bell pepper. Just gonna put in a little piece of thyme in it. Wash this off. So I put a teaspoon of soya sauce. I'm gonna add another half a teaspoon. So I put 1.5 teaspoon of 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce. Yeah, give that a stir. So half a teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce, and then I'm just gonna put in back this oxtail. So let's give that a little mix. I want all of that ginger, that garlic, that onion, that spring onion, that soya sauce, that all-purpose seasoning, that black pepper. You want everything to go right down in that meat. So I'm just gonna put on the lid on that, give it another 20 minutes. So I cut them up like that, so I'm gonna just put them in a pot to boil. So this is straight from my garden, folks. This is strictly organic, no chemical, no fertilizer, nothing like that. So I'm just gonna put in the potato to boil. Every time chuck that in. I don't want this to splash up the place. So today is mashed potato with oxtail. Let me check the oxtail that's coming on. Coming on nicely, people, and that beautiful color. So I put 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a touch of black pepper, a touch of pimento, 1 chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic, half of red bell pepper, half of green bell pepper, half of yellow bell pepper, and 2 stalks of spring onion, and a piece of thyme, and a piece of ginger. So put that there, let that slowly cook. So guys, if you want your mashed potatoes to really smooth, just get a mixer like this. Just mix it up like that, really smooth. Get that beautiful cream looking smooth mashed potato.
This one is broken.